Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change y-axis in Excel graph, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook that contains the chart you want to adjust. Take a moment to make sure you can see both your data and the chart on the screen, so any changes you make are easy to compare. If the file opens to the wrong sheet, just click the Sheet tab where your chart is, then wait until the chart is clearly visible. Once the workbook is open, click directly on the graph or chart you want to edit. You will see a border appear around the chart and small handles or circles at the corners that show it is selected. A common mistake is clicking on the worksheet background instead, which will not change the y-axis, so check that the chart has that outline around it. Now click on the y-axis, the vertical numbers on the left side of your chart. When you click correctly, those numbers will show small selection markers, and sometimes the whole axis line becomes highlighted. If something else gets selected, like the bars or columns, just click again carefully on one of the numbers on the left until only the axis is outlined. With the y-axis selected, right-click on that same vertical axis. A small menu will appear next to your mouse with several options. If you accidentally left-click instead of right-click, nothing bad happens, you just will not see the menu. So try again with the right mouse button directly on one of the axis numbers. From the menu that appears, select the option called Format Axis. When you click Format Axis, Excel will switch from the chart to showing you detailed settings for that specific axis. If you do not see Format Axis in the menu, double-check that you right-clicked on the vertical numbers and not on the plot area or a bar. The Format Axis pane will open on the right side of your Excel window. This pane usually has several icons near the top, and you should see axis options already selected. Any change you make here applies immediately to the chart, so you can watch the graph update as soon as you change a value. Now look under Axis Options to change the y-axis range. You will see boxes for minimum, maximum, major, and minor. Minimum controls the lowest value on the y-axis, and maximum controls the highest value shown. Major sets the spacing between the main numbers, and minor adjusts the smaller tick marks between those main values. For example, if your graph currently goes from 0 to 100, but you want it to go from 0 to 50, click in the minimum box and type 0. Then click in the maximum box and type 50, and press Enter. You will see the chart rescale so that the tallest point now reaches 50 instead of 100, which can make small changes easier to see. Excel normally uses automatic values for these boxes, but you can replace them with your own minimum and maximum values. When you type a number, the small auto option usually turns off, and Excel follows exactly what you entered. If the chart looks squashed or stretched after a change, you can come back to these same boxes and adjust the numbers again until the graph looks clear. Next, you can change how the y-axis numbers look under Format Axis in the Number section. Click on Number in the pane, and you will see different formats such as number, currency, percentage, and options for decimal places. Changing this only affects how the values are displayed on the axis, not the actual data in your worksheet. For instance, you can turn a value like 0.25 into 25% by choosing percentage as the format. Once you pick percentage, the axis will instantly update to show numbers with percent signs, which is helpful for survey results or growth rates. If the numbers ever look confusing, you can return to this number section and select a different format using the same list. Now to add or change the y-axis title, start by making sure the chart is selected again. Click once on the chart area so that the outer border appears. This lets Excel know which chart should receive the new axis title, especially if your sheet has more than one chart visible. With the chart selected, click the Chart Design tab at the top of Excel. This tab appears only when a chart is selected, so if you do not see Chart Design, click the chart once more and then look again at the top. The Chart Design tab contains tools that control layout, styles, and extra elements like titles and labels. From there, select Add Chart Element in the Chart Design tab. A drop-down list will open showing different items you can add or adjust on your chart. Move your mouse slowly in this list because hovering over each option can preview changes on the chart in real time. In that list, choose Axis Titles, then select Primary Vertical. This tells Excel to add a title area next to your y-axis, usually appearing as a text box with placeholder text. If the chart already had a y-axis title, this step selects that existing title so you can update it. Finally, click inside the Y-axis title box and type your own title, for example, sales in dollars. As soon as you type, the placeholder text disappears and your new label appears along the vertical side. Using a clear Y-axis title helps anyone reading the chart understand what those numbers represent without guessing. You have now adjusted the scale, number format, and title of the Y-axis on your Excel chart. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.